Step into a realm where physics meets haute couture, and discover how to dress your 3D models in the groundbreaking Higgsfield. Our journey begins with crafting the perfect digital canvas, while your avatar will guide you through the intuitive tools to sculpt a unique 3D persona, establishing a foundation that embodies your desired aesthetic. Next, we dive into the world of digital ateliers. You'll learn to harness specialized 3D modeling software, transforming blank digital canvases into exquisite designer pieces, from intricate lace to flowing silks. Once your masterpiece is ready, we'll meticulously fit it to your avatar, ensuring a perfect drape-and silhouette that highlights the form. Now, the true magic of Higgsfield unfolds. We'll explore how the unique principles of this simulated environment influence your designs, from the way light refracts through fabric to how particles interact, creating dynamic visual effects that redefine virtual fashion. Witness how these fundamental physics concepts can imbue your virtual garments with unparalleled realism and a captivating sense of movement, pushing the boundaries of digital art and fashion innovation. Join us in this fusion of fashion, physics, and digital artistry, and let the Higgsfield inspire your next creation.